Hey everyone! In today's video, we will show you how to use NordVPN's proxy feature to secure browser traffic and access content safely. This is a simple way to protect online activity without using the full VPN app. The NordVPN proxy is a lightweight extension that encrypts only browser traffic, not all internet traffic. It hides our IP address and changes our virtual location. It works quickly and is easy to use for secure browsing with threat protection against ads and malware. The NordVPN proxy helps hide our IP address and routes internet traffic through a different server. This lets us access blocked websites, bypass geo-restrictions, and keep our privacy online. A proxy only works inside the browser or certain apps, so it is lighter and faster than the full VPN. Let's go through the steps together. Even if you are new, you can follow along. First, open your browser. Go to nordvpn.com. You will be redirected to the login page for your account. In this section, we log into the account. Have your email and account information ready. Now, you are on the main NordVPN account page. Here, you can find NordVPN Black Web Monitor, downloads, available plans, billing, and referral options. To use proxy settings, go to the VPN section under the Home tab, click Store VPN, and now we are in the NordVPN settings. Here, you see options like dedicated IP and threat protection. To set up the proxy manually, go to Manual Setup. Click Setup Manually, and you will reach the Configuration Setup. This is where we can adjust proxy settings with advanced filters. You will see a set of configurations. We can set it up by IP and other sections, and download UDP files. This is where we add all our proxies. Just configure and explore these settings. With the proxy enabled, we can browse more privately, access more security, and manage our connection as needed. Choose the right settings for your needs and use it with other NordVPN features for full protection. Stay secure and browse safely.